In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require a number as an answer in Google Forms. This is a super handy feature if you're gathering data that needs to be quantifiable, such as ages or inventory counts. To get started, open your web browser and search for Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into your preferred search engine, or if you have a Google account, you can easily access it from your Google Drive by clicking on New and then selecting Google Forms from the drop-down menu. Once you're in Google Forms, the interface is very intuitive. You'll notice a big blank space ready for you to craft your form. If you're starting fresh, you can enter a title and description to let your respondents know the purpose of your questionnaire. If you're working from a template or have an existing form, just navigate to the question where you want to require a number. For your question type, ensure you have selected either short answer or paragraph. These are typically used for open-ended questions, but they also allow for number input with the right settings. Go ahead and click on the question box where you want to insert your question. Now, type your question. For instance, if you're asking about age, you might ask, "What is your age?" Look for the 3 vertical dots at the bottom right of your question box. Clicking on these dots brings up a menu where you'll see the option labeled Response Validation. This is where the magic happens. Click on Response Validation, and you'll be prompted to select the conditions your answers must meet. From the first drop-down menu, choose Number, because we're focusing on numerical data. In the second drop-down menu, decide how you want to validate your numbers. Options typically include greater than, less than, equal to, and more. These options allow you to specify what is acceptable according to your needs. For example, if you're only accepting numbers greater than 18, you would select greater than and then type 18 inches the box provided. To provide a clear guide for your respondents, you can add custom error text. This is a helpful message shown when someone enters an invalid number. It might say something like, "Please enter a number greater than 18. This step is key because it advises your respondents immediately if their entry doesn't fit your criteria. Finally, don't forget to toggle the required option on. This will ensure that respondents can't submit the form without completing this field with the correct type of answer. And that's it. You've successfully required a number answer for your Google Forms question. Hit the preview button at the upper right corner to check how your form looks from the perspective of your respondents. Once you're satisfied, you can share the form via email, a link, or even embed it in a website. Happy form building, and may all your data be perfectly quantified.